want me to you.
Like your things can dash out more than anybody else.
No,
I
what?
say dash out, see where we sell.
Oh, that's it, yeah. How much? Well, a punch you want to sell. Then all this here now, then all this here fit. Kiss out me curry, eh?
Let me tell you how you fit.
How
You
it
see, if you
fit?
can't take your hand, take it off, you take your teeth and bite it.
Hold on! Hold on! Hold on! So what you... No, what you say where you go?
You can't take your hand, take it off, you take your teeth, bite it.
So which part you bite now? Which part of panty you bite?
Which part you
Huh?
bite?
Huh?
You put it here and bite
You
it.
put it right there and bite
Yeah,
it.
bite it.
So that's a go enough man a bite off drawers
That's
now?
us.
Man a bite off drawers.
Supposed to. They're
So which one of the
supposed
hot drawers them I sell now? Which one of the hot panty? Are them I run the
to.
place?
Yes, them they are running place.
Are them I run the place?
Yes.
So much real this right here now.
$200.
Oh,
And then 1 year too.
and the,
Yes.
oh, which one? Well, let me see what over here so too.
Yes.
And them look up. Well, let you the boss. Let you the boss. Let you the boss. Yeah, man. So
Then sell no.
the lady said them panty are sell no. Why? Well, this are the front or the back?
At the back.
This are the back.
Yeah, the one and name breed fast.
That one, what that one the name?
Breed quick.
That one the name what?
Breed quick.
That one the name breed
You can't
quick.
get pregnant, that one will make you get pregnant.
That one will make you get to it. Which other one around the place you know?
You want to see her, that one see there.
Yeah.
Don't touch your toe.
Oy.
That one then him take
We-
out the money and carry back. No, that one
Eh?
then him take away money on Friday. But this one and him bend down, touch your toe.
Jesus and
So if you
peace.
can't bend and touch your toe, young girl, you can't wear it.
Then well on, then I wear the juju wall up in that now.
You want to pin that door?
No, which part of the juju wall up?
Fan here.
Eh?
Right.
What that one on
Only
here?
for breeze, fan.
That one on him fun.
Yeah. Pum
That
pum
one
now
on
get no ear, that one make you get woolly per ear.
Say that again.
Pum pum now get no ear.
That one I make you get woolly
Woolly per
ear.
ear. Woolly
Okay,
per
that one a ear out.
Yeah.
Keep it fresh and nice.
and nice.
What about that black one yeah?
Bring your money come on Friday.
Bring him money come
Yeah.
on Friday. So if woman wear this,
Yeah.
a man sharing of this, him send on the money.
on the money,
Send
right.
on the money proper.
Then when you feel wife, you know when you want broke out too much.
The wife of them when I want broke out, that one yeah.
Yeah.
Jesus
Then
and
one
peace.
only just normal and
Oh, it have a bag of something upon it door.
right.
Yeah. So them no, but them look plain.
Them I know I feel you know the oversized woman.
Oh, okay, the fluffy them.
Yeah.
Okay.
The one them will have wear them clothes and it don't look proper.
See?
And them have something wrinkled on
We
your
them
soul.
in a year where you say the one
The
them
one
out.
them will wear them clothes and it don't look proper and them have something wrinkled on your soul.
Yeah.
Them they carry in.
I what? Them
Yeah,
full.
them one of the one
What?
of them squeeze the throat.
That one and him what?
Suck in the belly.
That one.
Squeeze the throat. Suck in the belly, make your belly look small.
That one yeah.
Yeah.
But how we do that? How we do that?
Up your soul.
Yeah.
Suck the belly.
Oh, okay. Cause you can't that one make a tuck in.
Yeah.
Okay.
Squeeze me throat.
It name squeeze me
Squeeze me
throat.
throat.
What are not throat? What the throat there?
That's how them call it.
What are that them
Come
call?
up your son.
Cause they come up here so you have people when them come here buy them say, yo, I want to squeeze
Two
my throat
squeeze my
panty.
throat panty.
Two squeeze. How much you squeeze my throat then?
$300.
$300 for the squeeze my throat panty them.
Right.
Make the woman them tuck in, you know, kind of flatten up and all these things. So you have different kind.
Different types.
These are the fun and all these things and whatever. So the
lingerie and dress.
Okay.
One-stop shop.
One-stop shop. And what you name that? Well on it. And what you name darling?
Apple.
Apple. And what that road and name?
Market Street.
Market Street, Montego Bay, Apple. At the
they
place.
call it Little Miami. 'cause we
Little
have
Miami.
food, Dress, everything round here.
Oh, saying, I yes, them call Little
Little
Miami.
Miami.
All right. Go through, madam. Go through, madam. Little Miami.
Little Miami.
Montego Bay Square. You get panty of all assortment right here, so.
Yes, right.
You understand? So, what I want to name?
Tear up your body.
That one I name what?
Firm your body.
Me not hear you.
Firm up your body.
That one I name firm
Yeah.
your body.
So you put on some clothes, you just stay there, then girl call it anywhere you put your tan. You know, move.
What them call it?
Anywhere you put your day tan, you know, move.
Anywhere you put your
Yeah,
day tan.
you know, move.
Them panty here, them
yes,
one here.
them one here. You
As-
see it? Look funny.
Anywhere you
Firm up
put
your
your day
body,
tan.
yes.
So when them wear them panty, they know it make them look sexy and all these
Sexy,
things.
yes,
Firm
yeah.
up. If them have little shaky,
little
kind of
shake,
smooth it out and
Yes,
them
same
look
so.
weird. What you name, darling?
My name Trisha, but then call me problem child.
Your name Trisha, but you don't
me
call your problem
problem
child. Because I used to give them problem.
Especially when the man them a buy jars.
When the man come here all the way, come buy jars to the woman.
And I just sell one of my man customer 3 panty.
And him buy for him woman
He
them
buy
down.
for him good up wine.
Nice, nothing wrong with that man for buy panty for them woman. Can none of them a take it off? Cool one.
Okay.
Big up yourself, you know, look at Miami with there. And you don't know this are the panty line. Right, yes sir. Be a things you get. That's your word here.